In this topic of the Windows 11 course, we will see how to download and install third-party antivirus software. I'll be downloading and installing the McAfee antivirus software. So this is the trial version which I'll be downloading. You can search in the Google for McAfee antivirus software trial version. You will get 30-day free trial version. And if you click on this option for 30-day free trial, you have to input your email ID, then you have to input your credit card information. For 30 days, it will be free, and once the 30-day period is over, it will be charged. So basically, this is a McAfee total protection up to 5 devices, and this is for 30-day free trial version what you will be downloading. I have already downloaded and I'll be installing the software, which is McAfee Total Antivirus Software, McAfee Total Protection. So this is the executable file which I have double clicked, and if I select install McAfee antivirus software, which is McAfee Total Protection antivirus software, will be installed. The installation will be very quick, and you should be able to see the installation finishes within 2 to 3 minutes. The installation has successfully completed. I'll close the. Now you should be able to see the console, and these are the files which will automatically start up when the computer starts. When your operating system starts, these are the applications which will automatically start. And if I open the McAfee antivirus console, I will let it open. I will open the file explorer. I will show some other options of McAfee. And if I open the file explorer, if I go to this particular PC, and this is the C drive of my computer, if I right click, simply right click on the C drive and scan. This is going to scan the complete C drive, right? And if I want to scan only a particular file or folder, then I will go to the file or folder location. Then I can right click on top of the folder which I wanted to scan. Then there is an option to scan with McAfee. Right click and scan. So this is going to scan only the folder itself. And if I click on the home button here, we see many options for the McAfee Total Protection software. So this is the antivirus. This is for tracker removal, and you get to see my subscription. If you want to update, you can update the antivirus software itself, and also you can update the definition files. If you click on update, it is going to check for the definition files for the latest update, and it will download all the updates. If I click on home again, then you can see all the general settings, and here I can see manual scan, real-time scanning. We can even schedule the scans and quarantined items. If McAfee antivirus tool detects any threat or any vulnerabilities, everything will be quarantined, and this will be in a particular location where it will not be allowed to be accessed. And there is an option to shred the files using file shredder. You can use file shredder so that you can shred the files multiple times. Even if the files are recovered using any other method, the files will be inaccessible. Means the data what you have shred, it will be inaccessible for any of the person who is going to do any kind of recovery. And there is an option for advanced firewall. You can advanced firewall is turned on. All the incoming connection will be blocked, and you can even allow the connection. If you want to allow certain connection, you can allow the connections. To allow the connection, you need to use the Windows Defender firewall. You have to click Windows Defender firewall. Then whatever connection you wanted to allow, then you can allow those connections. Everything will be displayed under advanced firewall. under McAfee tool itself. So basically you are using Windows Defender to control the blocking or allowing the connections. Either it can be inbound rules or outbound rules. You can set up inbound rules or outbound rules. Inbound rules is to block the incoming connection. Outbound rules is to block outgoing connection to the external network. I'll close this and let me see if there is any options. If you go to security report, you will fetch the report for 7-day, 30-day or 1 year. So whatever summary report you wanted to download or you wanted to see, you'll be able to fetch all those reports under the report section. So this was about downloading and installing the McAfee Total Protection 30-day trial period version. It is always recommended to use any third-party antivirus software for real-time scanning against any vulnerabilities, threats, or any malware or ransomware. It is always better to have a third-party antivirus software compared to Windows Defender. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.